Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. Today we're going to have a look at the new Soul Electronics Wireless Transform Active Performance on-ear headphones with Bluetooth. And these are aimed at professional athletes. And up here it's telling us that they are sweat-proof up to 18 hours of playtime. And we've got power, clarity and comfort. This is a nicely presented package, as you can see. It's a magnetised side on it, and on the side it will give us some information as to Signature Bluetooth Wireless Sound 4.0, advanced drivers and circuitry design for a balanced bass and clear mids and highs, lightweight guaranteed to stay on, breathable headband designed for maximum breathability and coolness, removable washable ear pads, and up to 18 hours playtime for your wireless music and calls. So on the back, it'll give us more information here. Again, just basically what I've ran over there. And as you can see, we get inside some cable, a pouch and audio cables. So let's delve in a bit more and check it out. And presentation is excellent, as you can see. And we'll peel off that there, and we'll pop out this here. So inside, again, a nice solid box here, so presented very well, and that's always important. We've got our books and stuff here, so we'll just file them off for a moment. We have our silica gels, we've got our pouch, and we've also got our cables. So let's have a look at the pouch, which is great to see. And it's a typical drawstring bag, and it's a nice kind of velvety touch to it, and it's got the Soul branding on it there, as you can see. So hats off for that. And then we have our cables, so just check these out. And it's our typical, these are USB, micro USB, so just a standard cable there, no branding. And our wired cable here, should you run out of battery, is just a standard cable as well, but it's pretty solid and thick, so cool for that. So let's pop these out of here and check them out. And away we go. So straight away it feels very light indeed. very light and nice, and they are comfortable, and you've got nice padding here on each side. Is clearly indicated left and right, and we have the Soul branding here on the sides, and you can see there is some action here. There's some swivel on them there, so great for comfort. And you can also twist them here both ways, but you can only go so far on the reverse. So up on top here we can see the neckband here, and you can see the breathable areas in here, which is really nice, and it's flexible here, and you can see the joints here on both sides here, which are pretty cool indeed, and they stretch in and out like so, like that. And again, the Soul branding is on the sides, and the cups are pretty soft and pretty comfortable, and you can see there they just pull off like so. It's so easy to maintain, and this nice design wrapping around each side here. Over here is all our connectivity statuses and our indication lights. You can see them there, micro USB, headphone jack, and our controls here, and nothing on this side here, so everything is focused on one side, which is great, and probably the best way to be to save you fumbling around. But overall they seem pretty solid. This is a nice band too. As I said, this is a rubber band underneath the plastic headband here, so it will make it very breathable, and they seem pretty solid indeed, and they just stow away like so, like that, and you can pop them into a case then, or wherever the case may be, and they're pretty flexible too, which is also important. And it's nice travel on this here, and feels fairly solid. So that's pretty much it for now. Stay tuned for review coming soon at techbuzzireland.com, and if you have any questions, give us a shout. And once again, thanks to Soul for sending these over for us to check out, and check out the other reviews we've done with their products. just by searching in the search bar on the site. I'll see you in the next one.